Okay, so this afternoon, we had a high impact news on pounds, which was literally week one. And by 3 p.m., we'll be expecting high impact news on dollar, which is relating to consumer sentiment and also inflation expectations. We all know that dollar and Canadian dollar has been dipping, has been falling very well. And all anti-dollar pairs has been strong. Pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, gold. I mean, they've been extremely bullish, while dollar itself has been bearish, probably due to the tariff going on and probably due to the economic war that, or due to the policies that Donald Trump is bringing out at the moment. But then, we never can tell. Let's see what will happen and all. So this afternoon, we are expecting a high impact news on United States dollar, which is consumer sentiment and also inflation expectations. So these two high impact news has tendency to shape the market. But don't forget, this is Friday. This is the end of the trading week, right? So let's go to our chart. So can you all see my chart? Can everybody see my chart? Okay, so if you can see my chart, that's great. So this is dollar indices. And I must not lie to you, what I'm seeing here, I'm not happy with it. I'm not happy with dollar indices due to what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing a lot of bearish sentiment happening here, and I am I'm literally looking towards for much more sales for dollar. So the next point of actions or the next area where we look out for is probably here for dollar indices. So at the moment, dollar is still bearish. On 4 hours time frame, we can also see market rejecting this resistance zone. Market rejecting this resistance zone here. And we're also pulling down to the downside. So dollar is very, very bearish. I was expecting probably the news can gear it up a little bit. I'll probably push it out. But with what I'm seeing here, I'm not seeing any movement at all. All I'm seeing is a bearish sentiment of dollar indices. So we still see much more bullish sentiment for gold, for Euro USD, for GBP USD, and all that. We still see so much bullish sentiment for them. Okay, so having that, let's go to our chart. Now, the first chart I'll look out for this afternoon is GBP USD. And I'm going to be marking out from daily time frame. So GBP USD has been also have been very, very bearish at the moment, because what we are having here, we are having serious low momentum of buyers. And if you take it to line chart, we would see clearly that this zone is a very, very strong zone here, right? And so we can also see at this zone here. So I'm expecting sellers to come in any moment from now, but today is Friday. We've not seen any tangible movement at all from the market. So we might be bullish. Market can move up, take out that high before selling, but I've not seen any entry at the moment because we are still in this range. And if you look at the market currently, I would look for more of sales than buy, right? I'll look for more of selling than buying GBP USD, right? So whatever buy you are seeing might just be a short buy. I'll look for more of sales than buying GBP USD. Reason being that we are having a range here and we are expecting sellers to come in on board, right? We're expecting markets to come in on board. So that's the low, and we take this as the high, right? So that's the reason why I said I am not going to give a buy entry at the moment. Rather, I'll look for more of sales than buying GBP USD. Let's look at 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, 15 minutes time frame, we are seeing some sort of bullish sentiment trying to push up the market to the upside. Trying to push up the market to the upside here, right? Trying to push up the market to the top. So we see what will happen at the moment. So GBP USD is also the same thing. Let's see what will happen. Euro USD, we are bullish. Euro USD has started moving to the upside due to probably the weakness of dollar. But don't forget, we're having a news by 3 p.m. I would have said we should look forward by 10. We're having a news at 3 p.m., which might literally give us some bearish sentiment. Okay, it might literally give us some bearish sentiment and all. So let's look at what will happen. I'm still looking towards sales or bearish sentiment on Euro USD. I've not seen a clear entry, and market is just still looking towards more sales than buying. Hopefully, it will happen due to the news. I'm on GCAD here, and for GCAD, we could see presence of sellers in the morning, and I would also like to say I am more of sales than buying GCAD, right? Because we have a rejection of the market here. The difficult thing I'm experiencing is the news that is coming up by 3 p.m. So market might be very, very erratic, might have to see sellers coming in from here and start selling and, push the market to the downside. We never can tell because market heads to this high and we have seen this resistance. So this is a very strong resistance at this point, and we would love to see sellers pushing the market down at resistance. As we all know, resistance is the home of sellers and support is the home for buyers, right? So GBP card, we are still bearish. Euro USD, I'm looking forward to a proper sell. I've not seen a particular entry. GBP USD also, I'd love to see a sell. I'm not going to say we should buy GBP US. Now let's go to gold. Gold is in a dicey situation. Oh, gold is not in a dicey situation. We are going to buy gold. Gold is very bullish. Now, gold is rejecting 3005 as a possible retracement because that's gotten to its all-time high. But then the bullish sentiment will continue. Okay, no problem. The bullish sentiment will continue, should continue because we have a rejection of the market here. We have a rejection here. We see a retest here, right? But I want to show something on 15 minutes. But the 15 minutes candle is rejecting here also. 15-minute candle has also rejected here. I think we should do more of sales than buying of gold. If the news that is coming up by 3 p.m. is positive for dollar, we should sell gold more. But if it's negative, then it means gold moves to the upside. So we just need much more patience in what I'm seeing in this very market. Let's go to USD CHF. So USD CHF, right? USD CHF has broken this high. In fact, I'm more of bullish on anti-dollar. So this is what I want to see. I'm more of bullish on anti-dollar, on dollar pair, right? USD CHF, we are more bullish than bearish. So meaning that we look towards buying more than selling USD CHF. So 1 hour time frame, like I said, I'll be bullish on USD CHF. I don't want to tell us to buy now, probably because the market has. Okay, so I won't tell us to buy now, but we keep looking at the market. But GBP US, Euro US, USD CHF, I'm quite bullish on USD CHF because market rejected this support zone, pick out this low and move to the upside. But there is no entry. There's no entry yet. So that's why we'll be at the charts. We'll be looking at the market If there's proper entry, I'll let us know. Maybe we can take a buy on USCHF and put the stop loss here. That's about 24 pips, right? Or 27 pips. Yes, we can do that. And we also target 27 pips to the top. So we can buy USDCHF, buy USDCHF at CMP now. SL 0.88245. TP 0.88635. Okay, so this is just a signal that I saw today. So USDCHF are bullish. I'm writing it down on our funded client group. Buy USDCHF now. CHF now. SL 0.88245. TP 0.88635. Okay, so that's all for USD CHF. Euro USD, should you take a sell? Yes, let's take a sell on Euro USD. Sell Euro USD now. So I'm writing it on foreign client group. So I dropped two signals, sell Euro USD now. Sell Euro USD now. SL at 1.09135. TP1 1.08795. TP2 1.08455. Okay, so that is that for today. Let's go at BTC. Let's look at BTC. Can take that trade. Yeah, Austin. Can take the trade. No, Euro USD. BTC. So BTC is the last one. Yeah. BTC, well, okay. We're quite bullish on BTC. Looking at judging from daily time frame perception, we should see BTC to 92,825. Remember, I said last year that gold will get to 3,000 and it got to 3,000. So BTC, the next bust stop 92,000, probably 90,000. So you can take it back. Don't buy now, probably at a retracement before buying BTC. We wait for a retracement to about 82,074 before buying BTC. It's 2,000. Let's say it's 2,125 before buying BTC. Okay, so Bitcoin, I'm bullish. I'll just wait for a proper retracement before entry into the market. And even if you saw BTC here, I would have told us to buy BTC, but BTC has gone and just wait for a pullback before entry into the bear market. Okay, so that is that this afternoon. Today is Friday. We're expecting news by 3 p.m. And we should all trade with caution. You know, Friday markets are usually funny and all that. So drop two signals, a sell signal on Euro USD, also a buy signal on USD CHF, right? So let's see how the market will react. In fact, what I'm seeing now on dollar indices, I'm seeing a quite rejection because this is a strong support zone for dollar indices. This is a strong support level for dollar indices. So I'm quite bullish on dollar. I will be very bullish on dollar indices if I see a strong rejection at this level. In fact, we should be bullish, but we just wait for the news to confirm our bullishness. So let's see what will happen at that level. Just plotted the zone. on 4 hours. So let's see. A break or a high will give us more reason to buy USDX. So let's be patient to see what will happen at the current market price. Thank you very much for your time this afternoon. Had a wonderful trading day. Please don't forget the news comes up by 3 o'clock. So let's take caution of that. Good afternoon, everybody.